Hello everyone, this tutorial is about how to make a little lined bag suitable to carry a spare face mask or sanitary towel. You will need two pieces of fabric, one for the main and one for the lining, iron interfacing on both pieces. You will also need 5 inches of tape or cord with a keyring attachment and a cam snap for closure. Place the two pieces of fabric together, right sides facing each other, and sew along the straight edge of the bottom using a 1/2 inch seam allowance. Back stitch at the beginning and at the end. Trim all the loose threads as you go along. Turn the pieces round and press the two sides together, this time wrong sides facing. Then top stitch along the edge where they have been joined together. Okay, now to form the bag. Open up the work so the lining is at the top. Then bring the front up to where about the closure is going to be. Then fold the rest over. This is a side view of what it looks like when you've done it. Just fold it in on itself. Okay, before stitching it together, place the tape and just pull the bottom bit down again. Place the tape just below the stitching line and pin. Now fold the main piece again and pin all the way around. Leave a gap for turning. I've left a rather small gap to make it easier to sew at the end, but you can leave a bigger gap to make it easier to turn. Back stitch. And sew to where the opening is going to be. Continue stitching all the way around, trailing on the curve very carefully. And when you come to the part where the tape is, back stitch a couple of times to secure, and then stitch to the end. Okay, the next thing is to trim it all the way around, leaving the turning part untrimmed. Then turn it round through the gap. It is a little bit tricky. There's my tiny little gap that I've left. And then using a pointy tool, push out all the corners and round off the curve at the top. And carefully place the opening parts together, making sure that it mirrors the other side. Pin. This probably takes a little bit of time to sort out. Then pin and top stitch. Okay, next turn it the right way round. Again, push out the corners. And the last thing that's left is to place your cam snap or breasted or velcro, and to press it, and it's done. It's fully lined, it's very sweet, and it can be teamed up with a gel holder to make a nice little set of little holders to go on a keyring or in a handbag. Thank you for watching.